guys, look at Miss Rainy. So guys, it is now official. We can officially say it's official that this little madam here, let me show her. She's asleep though, y'all. Y'all can't see her. You know that's all Rain does. She's officially a person, okay? She's officially a person. She's on the number of people that lives in the United Kingdom. She's no longer Baby Henry. Because everything was Baby Henry this, Baby Henry that. So yeah, she's officially a part of the nation. Yeah, so we've just registered her, y'all. So we're just leaving the registrar's office back to where she was born, y'all. So we couldn't register her locally where we come from. We had to drive all the way back to, you know, where all our hospital appointments used to be. So we had to come back to this town, which is way out from where we live. Yeah, and register her. So it took about 30 minutes. So she's officially registered. Rain is her name, as you guys know. By the way, I remember when I did the video and I asked you guys about baby names and all of that. I did see the names and stuff, but you know, we decided on the name Rain because, oh, we can cross, because it's a name that we actually liked. Somebody had say, I don't know who commented it, but somebody put Ocean. So let me tell you about Ocean. Ocean was supposed to, it's a name that I actually liked, right? Not from the comment, from before when we were looking up names for her, because we wanted a name that could basically go with River's name, right? If you're new to the channel, our baby, her name, let me open the door. Her brother's name is River, and River is right here chilling. That's our toddler, y'all. Yeah, her brother's name is River. So we were like, you know what? We need a name that goes well with River. So let's stick to the theme of it all, you know. And I said, Sean, what about Ocean? You know, because Ocean would be nice if it was a girl. But Sean was adamant that he wanted the name to be Lake. And I was like, I don't want the name Lake, because living in Anguilla, there's like families in Anguilla with the surname Lake, right? It's a surname. That's how I know it. But Sean don't know that. So, and plus I didn't like the name Lake, to be honest, to name my kid Lake. So I said we had Lake, we had Ocean. And then I don't know if it was me who said Rain or Sky. Yes, so before we named River, before we know River was a boy, his name, if it was a girl, for years we always said we were going to name our daughter Savannah, right? Because that's the name ShéKayla gave us, that she wanted that name for her baby sister. That's when she was like 6, y'all. So for all these years we always had the name Savannah. And then I don't know, when I got pregnant and stuff, we started like, yeah, it would have still been SH, because we had decided to name her ShéKayla, remember? So we were moving towards, Sean said he liked the name Sky, and I said I like ShéKayla, and it's like she can name ShéKayla and her nickname would still be Sky. But anyway, we got River. This ain't about River, so let's not go into how we got his name. But yeah, so for Rain, I was thinking like, should we still go with the name ShéKayla, because that's a name that we liked originally. And I was like, what about Ocean? But I think I was the one that came up and said, what about Rain? We went back and forth on the name Rain for a while, and then we decided, you know what, it'd be perfect. And we decided to spell it R-A-I-N as well. So yeah, that's just it. We decided on Rain, and that's her name. So yeah, we changed her name from what we were originally thinking of in the beginning to that. So yeah, we're happy though. It is cold. Let me come get in the car. It is so cold today though. Let me give River his jacket. Oh, your jacket, River. So River is strapped in. So is Rain. Rain strapping already, babe? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. He said there's a lot of names that we actually love.
Those names like Sky, ShéKayla, Savannah. We like those names. We love those names.
Yeah, because Savannah is a name that we liked for years.
But the biggest reason is we don't want another SH.
Wi-Fi enabled.
Yeah.
I don't want another SH.
Because that's my initial, Sean initial, ShéKayla initial.
Yeah,
so we were thinking of, if people was originally saying we had River continue the SH, and it really would have been, River's name would have been ShéKayla if it was a girl, you know.
So yeah, I want to break the SH trend, you know. It was a bit much.
Yeah, but now we have two River and Rain, so at least they have the same initials. So you see, we got 3 people in the house with the same initials, and then you got the last 2 people in the house, they have the same initials. Well, that's all right, ain't it? Yeah, it works out. So let's plug this up and then we're gonna head out. So we're gonna actually head home. We're exiting that way anyway. Yeah, so we're actually gonna head home. We're heading home now? Or you wanted to? Huh?
We're home.
You going home? I don't want to get frightened. Let's see how far it is from here. Anyways, let's figure out, like, we need to figure out what we're doing because we need to get home, but we're contemplating something else. So I'll come back to you guys. Guys, we're looking for Oxford University. So while we're out here, yes, I said while we're out here in Oxford, we want to see the famous Oxford University. But this ain't doing this single straight. Anyways, when we get there, we'll show you guys as well, so you guys can see the famous Oxford University, you know. Sean, you don't like when I put on my British accent? Don't hate on my accent, Sean. Alright? Sean don't like my British accent. Anyway.
Don't put words in my mouth. So that's what it is.
Oh yeah. We need to go on the other side. We're on the wrong side. These roads funny, you know. I'm telling you, you know, sometimes people drive in a foreign country. Sometimes that's not wise. Because we live here and some of these roads just look so funny. You don't know where to drive. Hurry up, bicycle man. Hurry up, bicycle man. Down the other way. Oh, here. Okay, I see.
Yes, yes.
Alright. So.
All of these around here, this university property.
Yeah, this is a big bike lane. You see this bicycle lane? They're not normally this wide, you know. You got a lot of space.
So that's the property.
That's the university over there? Oh. I mean,
it's big. It's not gonna be just one building. It's the whole.
Oh, but I wanted something to say engineering. I wanted it to say
Oxford University.
Oxford University. Like, welcome to Oxford University. I feel let down. Oh, look, University of Oxford, the George Building. Oh, so it's a lot of.
Yeah, a lot of. That's typically.
How big is it?
Typical universities, they stretch for. Pretty much blocks, a lot of buildings. You know, there's never just one building anyway. It's always a lot of buildings. Yeah.
Yeah, I thought it was gonna be like a grand thing. Welcome to the University of Oxford. I'm gonna go look up online though how big it is, because it's like several different buildings. One says this for engineering, this, that, and let's look it up. I expected it to just be one big ancient looking building. Which maybe this is the main building right here. This one. Could be. Looks like
sure
it.
Everything around here is small.
Yeah, so yeah, this looks like it. So all of this is probably the University of Oxford. Computer science is over there. Whoa, look. Look. Wow, I think it's over. Wow, this is a beautiful building, Sean.
What is over there?
The university. So yeah, we're still driving. We passed the Department of Chemistry. This is the Department of Biology. So it's like a huge campus. I still need to go online. Look at everybody park up their bicycles there. So yeah, all of this is the campus basically. That's so interesting. I always looked at it like maybe it's like, I don't know, high school. I didn't think it was like so huge, like of a building, like School of Pathology, South Lodge. Yeah, it's huge. You know, out here is a really, I got cameras around here. I think out here is like a really nice town. I would live out. Sean, would you live out here? Yeah, I would. Yeah, I would live out here. It just looks so nice and calm and peaceful and just, yeah, I love this kind of old town vibes. Definitely. Look at this, we're still going. Y'all getting a nicer tour of this part of Oxford. Look how many times we come out here and we never explore.
Did they come this side?
Yeah, we never come this side. Yeah, I was on the other side. But, you know, we never even think like, let's drive around Oxford. Is this their high street now? Ah, okay. No left, no right turn. So I guess we're out on the high street now, kinda. But it's back that way. Yeah. I'm guessing this is probably a church, some kind of cathedral or something. This is how most of the churches look. Is it though? I don't know. I'm just saying. Yeah. Uh-oh. Baby, my phone. Come here, look. Say hello. Say hello. Say hi. Yeah, say hi. Huh? What? What do you say? River is too busy, but anyways, we just reached home. Sean, I want a picture. Now I have to edit out like crazy. My face look horrible, but I still need a picture.
Wow.
Guys, look at me. I made this topping like since the beginning of my pregnancy. And now it fits, y'all. It fits. It fits. What's up? You want to see? You want to be in everything. What's up? What you want to say? Get from in front of people's face. What are you saying today? What are you saying? Get away from here. Get away from here. Give me a kiss. What are you saying to them? Huh?
Sorry.
Yeah. What? Dad, I tried to take a picture of you. What?
Oh, you want to take the picture now?
Yeah. Yeah, hold it. Go vlog. Say hi, guys. Say I am River. Yeah. Go. Let Mama take a picture. I don't need to go that way. Okay. Let's go see what Rainy's doing. What is Rainy doing? Rainy's sleeping, Rivi. Oh no. Hello, Rainy. Rainy Boo Boo sleeping. Yeah. Tell him Rainy's sleeping. Shh, shh. Yeah. I swear, every time y'all supposed to see Rain, she's sleeping. She was up a while ago, you know. As we was about to reach home, she started crying and stuff, and then she fall asleep, completely asleep. Like, I'm talking. Tell him Rainy's sleeping. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna try and see if I can take pictures with them. Yeah, I want to see if I could take some pictures with the both of them, because they don't have any pictures together at all. Wait, what's up? Why are you making so much noise? Leave my shoes. What you want to touch up with my shoes? Yeah, but Sean just took a few pictures of me and everything, even though my hair is like a mess. But when y'all see me in the next look, River, no, hey, what you do that for? Look what he do. No, don't shake her like that. Why are you shaking her like that? Be gentle. This way. Do this. Wow. See, look. Wow. You just draw her from that direction. River is just too wild, y'all. I am about to go and wash up these dishes from breakfast. See, we left the house and you know I wanted to wash them up before I left. It's a mess. I'm here expressing milk from this booby because I didn't get to express any milk at all today. I started expressing milk once a day now because I was getting so much milk, and the midwife explained to me that it's because I've been expressing. So the more I express, the more milk my breast is gonna be producing, because Rain is sucking them now. She's sucking them really nice now. I remember I told you guys that she preferred the bottle over it, but no, there's like a good balance between it, so she doesn't refuse them anymore as of like 2 days ago. Yeah, she's 3 weeks old. No, y'all, 3 weeks. Can you believe that? Rainy is 3 weeks. So yeah, she's officially registered. I am just pumping milk. Let me see how much milk I have so far though. Yeah, I won't be able to see. But yeah, River is so rough. Why is he so rough? I need to go and take a picture with the two of them, but Rain is still sleeping. I don't know when. I think we need like a good mountain change for Rain to come out of her sleep era. She eats, sleeps, she stays awake for a while, and she goes back to sleep. It's like, I don't know. Oh, look who's awake now, y'all. She's awake. Right, Rainy Boom Boom? Let me see your diaper. It must be full now, huh? Yeah, you need to change. You need to change before you get any sort of milk. Let's change Rainy, y'all. Oh, this is not your diaper. You want more diapers over here? Let's get Rainy. She's gonna cry now, you know. I'm still expressing the milk, and she woke up just as I was telling. I told you guys she's still sleeping, then she woke up. Bam. Rain does only last like maybe 1 minute when she wake up without crying for her boobies. It's like she expect when she wake up, feed me and feed me now. I'm just gonna feed her right here in the couch. I'm just gonna change her right here in the couch. And let me stop this pump. Oh my gosh. Stop this pump, because this is the boob I'm gonna give her right now. So I don't need to be emptying it. And also the midwife, I also watched a video on YouTube, and it said never empty your breast with a breast pump when you're engorged and stuff. So what I've been doing, y'all, is like squeezing it out, some of it out in the shower, you know, because look, almost 4 ounces. Yes, almost 4 ounces. Not bad. So let's put that there, and I'm gonna give Rain this one because it's still quite full. It's so full. She ain't drink from this one since like this morning. It's almost 5 p.m. now. Guys, I just finished feeding Rain. Oh my gosh, how your eyes closed already? Rainy. Oh my gosh. Rainy Bum Bum. She closed her eyes already. Open your eyes, man. Open your eyes now. I just finished feeding Rain, you know, and I said, let me show y'all. But Rain is like, she's drunk from the milk already. Hold on. Look. Oh. Well, y'all get a smile, huh? Y'all get a smile from Rainy Boom Boom. Look at that. I guess that's what happens when your belly full up. But every time Rain eats proper milk drunk, she's like, can't catch herself. She ain't even burp. I'm trying to burp her, but she's like, you're not trans right now. What's up, Bum Bum? What's up? Look at you wide awake, Rainy Boo Boo. It's the next day. I'm also gonna pull out her pump, get my braids out now, yeah. But I wanted to show you guys I just finished feeding her, and I wanted to show you how alert and awake she was, and her big brother is here.